Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep the power assist steps deployed until you're ready to have them not be deployed. And it might be a few different reasons why you want to do that, whether it's for washing them when you wash your truck, or maybe it's to try and prevent door dings in a parking lot. That can actually help in that respect. We're going to go to vehicle settings right here. We're going to vehicle, and then we're going to go all the way down here to power assist steps. And this second option, move power assist steps. And you'll see that stow is selected right now. You can go to deploy to bed or just deploy, which is what I'm going to do. So let me just show you that this has worked. No big deal. Just takes a second or two once you close the door for them to go back under the vehicle. And obviously, if you deploy to bed, then they're going to come back all the way back here to make it easier to gain access to the front of the bed. That's how you do it. So if you're wanting to know how that's done, whether it's on your truck or on your Yukon, there is your answer. I hope that helps out. Tell me what tutorials you would like to see, and I will make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.